So the CARIAD Dementia Service is a palliative care dementia service, and we support people living with dementia and their carers and loved ones within Blaen y Gwent. The main impact is about people living well with dementia in the community, in their own homes. So it's about enabling them to stay where they wish to stay for as long as possible. So things like avoiding hospital admissions, avoiding residential placements, by supporting carers and providing that holistic, well-rounded support really for anybody who is affected by a dementia diagnosis.
They support me in a lot of ways, like they've came and done assessments and sorted finance things out for us. They did my power of attorney, you know, and when they take Chris for a few hours, I get a few hours break, and you know, so really I look forward to a Wednesday afternoon as well. As much as I love him, it's a break.
When I first day or two, first time once or twice I've done it, I said, but I looked at it now. Yeah, good goal. All of you are, yes, and, you know, good job, you got people like you around here, you know.
Memory loss is a terrible thing, isn't it? You know, but sometimes I can overcome it and sometimes I can't. You know, I just hope that I won't get any worse.
We really appreciate what they've done for us, and this is bringing us out, you know, in the afternoon out.
You were stuck in watching the telly, wasn't you?
You know, so we really enjoy it.
I think from our perspective, it's been such a positive impact for the people accessing our service and the carers that I would just encourage anybody to take that step forward and start something new and fresh, really.